Good morning, people! Say good morning, Mia! Good morning! Pumipili siya ng susuotin yung shoes.
Let's see if this is for me.
The other side, wrong side. You wanna wear that?
Let's finally.
I think there's got some sand in there because you wore this at school. Kasi gusto niya itong kanya. Okay, push it. Stand up and push it. Pwede ron. Siya pumili ng kanyang suot ngayon. Dali, ay, padugay-dugay. Does it fit still? Bigay ito ni Tita Tin sa kanya. Paboritong shoes niya to. Mga bigay ni Ate Tin. Who give you this?
Ate Tin and Ate Cheska.
Tita Tin.
Tita Tin and Ate Cheska.
Dali, put.
Push, push, push.
Stand up so you can push it. Dali.
See, I did it.
Wow, you did it. Wow, look people. Mia's OOTD. Wow, so beautiful. Oh, you like it? Wow.
What? I get it to it. This is like Elsa ate it.
You're so silly. Okay, let's go.
No. I don't brush.
Oh God, this girl.
Can I bring it?
Yeah, bring me up. Alright, so let's go, guys. We are going. Today pala is Monday. Mom needs to go to the grocery Asian shop. So, pag-dive natin si Mami La. So, may bibili na din ako ng mga kailangan namin. Kasi sa Asian shop siya pupunta. So, let's go. I'm just gonna get my grocery bag. Lagi kong ginagamit. And I love this. Kasya na to siguro. Hindi naman madami yung bibili ko. Kasi meron pa kaming mga stock dito. Yes?
Matters and toys and ketchup and apple pie.
Wala siya. Nag-request agad. Later when we go back home, okay? Yeah, when we go back home.
So you have the apple.
No, yeah. After grocery, we go back. I'll get you your macas. Eat that one first. She's having the hot cross bun. We're in the car. Grabe ang init. Where? Where? Yep. Grabe naman ang init. Uy, parang hindi fall. Autumn na, guys. Pero ang init-init pa din minsan. So, let's go pick up Mami La. Mami La's been waiting for us. Normally, April, malamig na eh. Dito, hindi pa lumalamig, guys. Sobrang init pa din. Parang summer pa din talaga siya. Oh my gosh. I'm wearing black. Why?
Why?
Brown. That's brown.
That's brown. Brown? Yeah.
No, this is brown. Brown.
Ingat kami yan. Good.
Pangita ko akong sa t-shirt. Ang Disney, mabala nga gisok-sok ko sa una. Ano nalaban? Tuwa ito sa akong na drawer na ginahangin. Hoy, Maria! Yummy.
So, di may mas back sa, ano mas, sa Morley?
Oo.
Dito na kami sa MCQ Supermarket.
Stick it on the
Wala
wall.
silang hawhaw. Vegetarian lang. Wala silang onion.
We have to stick it on the wall.
No, yeah, you can stick it but not here. You cannot stick it here. Ano yung ibang hawhaw? Ubus na yung binili natin last time. Try natin yung... Sige, ito. Vegetarian siya, guys. Try natin siya. Wow, what are they doing? Ay, ano sila? Ano yan? Frozen deep fried banana. Oh, parang ang sarap. Durian. Ay, yung coconut. Meron pa tayo niyan sa bahay. Ay, no, wala na. Ubus na ba yun? Okay. What should we get me? Daddy's noodles.
Today.
Hala, meron silang ganito. Ano nga to sa atin? Oh my gosh. Hair tail ribbon fish tawag sa kanya. Ano nga tawag? Ano tawag niyan sa atin? Nakalimutan ko na. They have the frozen one. Ang ano. Ito na yung mga nakuha ni Mama. Ito yung akin. And Mia is so quiet. You're so good. You're so good. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ang bigat-bigat na ng ating trolley. Tignan niyo. Hold your drink. Mia, sit down. Sit down properly. We are just in the car. Hi, you're full? Waiting for Mamila. Pumunta na siya ng Coast. Sa kabilang shopping center. She just had her donut. You don't want this anymore? Mommy have it? Hindi ko din na-ubos yung akin. Okay na lang. Ano to siya? Yung pineapple. May pineapple sa loob. Masarap din siya. Ito yung ano lang. Donut na may sugar. Huh? You're full? Yeah, Mommy's full again too. We're just waiting here for Mamila. Pumunta na kami doon ng MCQ Supermarket. Sa kabila naman tong MCQ. Malapit na to sa amin. Bumili lang ibang veggie na wala doon sa kabilang MCQ. They don't have bitter melon and pineapple, so I need it. Meron sila dito, which is good. And Mamila just in Coast. What are you doing? Kailangan din natin mag-top up ng petrol. Wala nang petrol ang car na to. What is that? Can I have it? Tingnan niyo, nakuha niya. Nag-shopping din siya. Jelly, ano jellies? Assorted fruit flavored jellies. Gluten-free siya ha. Chill before eating. See? Kailangan daw ilagay sa...
Remember we had that?
Yeah, I remember. We had this before. You have to put it in the fridge, Mia. It says free chill before eating. Yeah.
You for eating.
Yeah, you have to put it in the fridge first.
Yeah, I will wait so long.
Until it's cold.
I know. We had to playing. We had a big lots of toys, so we can eat that now.
That's right. Ilang araw na siya walang ano, IP. Tinago ko guys. Kasi every after daycare niya, hinahanap talaga niya yung eye niya. And naglalaro. Your what?
Shell.
Your shell? It's there on your chair. Remember? You put it on your legs. On the leg. may itches somewhere on your seat for sure. Look at your seat. And nagstay na siya sa eye niya. Naglalaro lang siya.
I found it!
Yeah, good job.
Mommy,
Oh.
Mommy, it was here.
Yeah, it was there in your seat. May shell siyang hawak. Ano niya, hinanap niya, nawala daw. So, ayun, tinago ko guys kasi nainis ako. Lagi na lang siyang nasa eye niya. After daycare talaga hinahanap niya. So, pag Monday wala siyang daycare, pagising sa umaga, gusto niya na agad mag-eye. So, sabi ko, na-addict na siya sa kanyang,
Mommy, I can't find it
palaro sa
myself.
mga games
Mommy,
doon.
can't find my shell.
Oh, where did it go?
And Mommy, the monster took it.
Really?
I know where it's. Look, it's over inside here.
Ah.
Mommy!
Where is it?
It's inside here.
Oh, wow.
Hide it, I tricked you.
Wow.
That's my secret.
That's your secret. Okay. So, ayun, tinago ko guys. Ilang araw na siyang walang eye. Sabi ko kinuha ng monster. Hindi niya na hinahanap. So,
Mommy,
Oh.
it's gone again. I lost it. Think the monster took it again?
oh no.
Mommy, but I know where it is again. I hide it somewhere. Mommy, maybe I didn't trick you. Maybe I didn't trick you.
Mm-hmm.
Here it is.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy, look at here. Look, Mommy.
What
Mommy, look at this. It's over here.
Oh, it's there.
Yeah,
You're
but
tricking me. I think it's just there.
You think that's the trick?
You tricked me. 2 na guys. 2:12 ng hapon. Ano na kami umalis? 11? 11:30 na.
Mommy, I almost dropped my shelf over my cousin. And I find it.
Hmm,
I
that's
got
good.
it. And I got it in my hand.
That's good.
Yeah, see?
Yeah, tonight we're gonna go see Uncle Dylan.
I like
Do you know Uncle Dylan? Have you seen Uncle Dylan before?
it.
No, you haven't met Uncle Dylan. That's Daddy's friend when he was in high school. So he moved to other state and now he's just visiting here in Perth. I used to work with him. Kaibigan siya ni Daddy.
And I want to work with him.
Work with him. I used to work with him in Hungry Jocks. And yeah, pero sandali lang naman yun. And yeah, separate lives na after nag-move na siya sa Sydney, and then nandun na siya nag-work ngayon. But yeah, they're visiting here, so I think they wanna catch up, or they both wanna catch up. So we're gonna have dinner later sa city daw. Kita niyo ba yung aking buhok guys? Hindi halata no? Pero super red siya sa yung dito sa loob hindi halata, pero dito sa labas kitang-kita kasi
Apple piece.
mas nadamihan ko yung labas kaysa sa loob. Eh, lagi ko pa naman ginaganito yung buhok ko. Yes.
I put myself over here.
Yeah.
Me.
Your mamila is taking so long. So, ganyan lang siya. Gusto ko pa siya pakulayan more red kasi gusto ko yung kita-kita talaga yung red.
That's a little bit, Mom.
Yeah, especially dito. Hindi siya tumalab kasi black nga yung hair ko dyan. Sa roots. Naubos ko yung donut ni Mia. Nagabusog ako guys. You wanna drink water?
Open it.
You wanna drink water?
I can open it.
Yeah. You wanna drink water?
It's not opening.
Oh, you wanna drink water or not?
It's not. No, why it's not opening it?
Yes.
It's so long.
Mamila's here, finally. Mia, Mamila, you're taking so long. Mamila is there, putting everything at the back.
Abay lang ko, Joey. Nagbakal pa ko ito noodles. Yan, bako balikon ko lang. Nagbakal na ko ito. Ha?
Bumili pa daw siya ng noodles din. Sa noodle
Mommy,
bar.
then go to Mama's house.
Yes, we can go to Mamila's house. We're gonna drop Mamila later, and then we go home.
Mommy, can I play in Mama's house?
Do you wanna play there?
Yeah.
But we need to go home. We have some stuff in the car. We need to put in
I
the
have it right
fridge.
here. How about we put this stuff at home first so we can go in Mama's house so we can play? Daddy, how to do, Mommy?
Bongga ka naman talaga. I
Hey,
have an
I'm
idea.
talking to you. Excuse me, Mommy. I said when you put the stuff in at home,
Mhm.
and so we can go to Mama's house now.
We need to stay at home because I have so much things to do at home.
Please,
We can't go anywhere. Or
please, Mommy.
you just went there last night. You played with them last night.
Please.
Gusto niya, you wanna stay in Mamila's house lang? And Mommy go home?
Why?
Oh, what do you wanna do?
This one.
So do you wanna play there? So you stay in Mamila's house. And Mommy will go home.
No.
Oh, see? You don't even want. So, we go home na lang. Okay? We stay at home and I'll play with you. I promise.
Yes, I want you to play with me. Yes, yes.
And what are we gonna do?
To play.
Hello,
Mommy, I want to play.
Ano din isa dyan, oh.
Mommy,
Nalipad ko pa kampang isip na rin.
have you played?
Kumanta pa kami kaulo.
I want to play. Have you played with the Yoda, Mommy? And I'm the baby. And I'm the
Ang
dolly.
baka ko abi abukado. Ano na kung sinakot ba sinagulot?
Together.
Okay.
Ay, na.
Play that.
Okay, let's say that.
I go for this, Mommy.
You too.
Last mo na akong... Ano ba ya?
Ay, to kala, Mommy. Alright, let's go. Ama, kailangan mo mag-stop up ng petrol.
Mommy, look.
Pag-stop up there.
Sa din? No.
Mommy.
It's so
Mommy,
funny.
look, I'm sleeping.
Okay, go sleep.
Bar, ano niya gali kag. You talk a lot?
She wanna stay in your house. She wanna go to your house. But I
And
said
then?
we can't go to Mamila's house. We need to put our stuff in our fridge. And then she was like, Mommy, I have an idea. How about we go home and put your stuff in the fridge and ano daw? And we go to Mamila and we play. O, diba?
Ah, you want to play?
And then I was like,
Tito Janjan's not there.
yeah, and I was like, we already played there yesterday.
May
We
gusto
can't.
niya nga daan mo.
Yeah, we already played with them yesterday. And I said, ano na lang, how ba ko, gusto mo iwan ta ka. Tapos, mommy's gonna go home. Ay, hindi man sa. Ay, tapos sabi ko, how about we go home na lang and I play with you. Ay, mo to doon. Like, yay, okay, mommy. I know what to play. Gusto niya daw
What you want to play, Mia?
unleaded.
We can play
Premium.
Mom.
98.
We can play Mommy. And
Ah, pwede mo dito.
we can play Mommy. I said we can play Mommies and Darlings and cooking together.
Ah, you
So,
cooking?
and the good
Kaya
Darlings
lang to sa ginasang yung mga ang luto to ka sa bata. Cooking to. You like cooking, Mia?
Tapak muna tayo, guys.
Mia? Basta mag-slide. Parikli ang pwede mo. Oh, wala. Naula.
Init. Bye-bye! Let's go home. Kainit sa labas, guys. Pero mahangin naman. Kaya lang, init-init talaga. Ang sakit sa skin ng init. Alright, guys. Hold tayo. And lower the TV. Okay. Yan kasi si Mia ng TV. Super loud. Alright, we'll start with MCQ. Well, MCQ lang naman tayo bumali na grocery. So, we have this bag. Mga veggies lang naman halos to, guys, kasi nga pag pupunta ako ng MCQ, sila lang yung mostly na binibili natin doon is veggies kasi sila lang yung may mga veggies na ginagamit namin talaga. So, I have this. Hindi ko naman alaman na to, guys. Pero, ayan. Ganyan yung itsura niya. What veggie is this? Alam ko yung itsura. Hindi ko lang alam yung pangalan. Ginagamit yan ng Vietnamese. We have kangkong. So, yung binili ko is pang dalawang ulam lang siya. Dalawang pang ulam lang talaga itong binili ko. Pero, okay na to. Kasi ang dami ko pang pork and mga chicken sa fridge. Pero bumili ako ng chicken thigh somewhere. Saan ko nalagay yun? Ang chicken thigh ko. Isa nandito. Tamarind. Ayan, napakalaki. Wala silang maliit. So, yeah, I need that for the sweet and sour soup, Vietnamese soup. We have the bangus na marinated. And we have this home-style classic na bangus din, marinated. Marinated din ata siya. Ayan. This one for the sweet and sour soup. Muum. Ito, alam ko to. Muum yung kanyang Vietnamese name na veggies. And we have eggplant. Dalawa lang to. Sa isang dish na lulutuin ko. And, ayan. Ang ganito. Ayan. Luluto ulit ako nung yung sabi kong mabango, pero, mabaho, pero masarap na ulam. Yun. Lutuin natin ulit yun. Kasi nung last time si Daddy yung pinaluto ko nun. Kahaw-haw na vegetarian. Tayo na talagang vegetarian. Wala kasi silang gusto kong flavor. Ito lang. So, ito yung binili ko. Naman ito na noodles. Masarap yung haw-haw na brand. We have the piatos, cheese ring, bean sprout. Ito ito rice noodles. Ayan. Just for the stock lang. Kasi wala na. Parang maubos na yung akin. Bawang. And ito yung chicken thighs. For the lemongrass chicken. 4 ata yung pinaano ko. Yeah, pinukuha ko sa babae. So, lagay ko muna ito guys yung freezer. Kasi na na siya. Na-thaw na siya. Hindi na pa ito sa labas. Next bag is this. We have ito sa kabilang MCQ na to. Pangalawang MCQ na pinuntahan namin. So, we have the melon. Magagawa ako ng juice. Tapos, gagawin ko siyang ice candy. Parang melon ice candy. Kasi meron akong yung wrapper. Yung tig-piso sa atin. Basta nung sa Pilipinas pa kung merong mga nagbibenta ng ice candy. Yung tag-piso. So, gusto ko yan. And our Milkies. Dalawa yung binili ko para may stock. Ayan. And then we have Knorr seasoning. So, meron na silang malaki. Small, medium, large. Large yung binili ko. Bumili ako sa isang shop, yung Vietnamese shop, ng chopstick. Kasi ubos na yung chopstick namin na ganito. Yung natira na lang puro wood. We have the fish sauce. And then, star margarine. And then, ito, bumili ako ng aking micellar water. Water in oil siya. Yung mga waterproof na makeup, nakukuha niya. So, ito yung ginagamit ko. Minimix lang siya, ganyan. Ubus na yung akin kasi, diba? Sabi ko magbili ako nito. Nag-stock kami sa Chemist Warehouse. May nabili din ako perfume. Ito siya. Yung classic and feminine na Bruno Banani Not For Everybody. Ayan, yung napakita ko na ba sa inyo? Isa to sa mga nagustuhan kong amoy. Binili ko siya. Dupe ata to ng Gucci daw, sabi nila. So, yeah. I got it. Ayan siya. Ganyan yung itsura niya. So, naubos ko na yung isa kong bottle. So, bumili ako ng bago. Kasi yung ginagamit ko na ngayon is yung isang, Burberry. Yung Burberry na perfume. Mas bet ko to kaysa sa Burberry na amoy. So, yeah. I really like this. Mura lang din siya. $34, $35 ata. Mia, your toys. Look what I've got. The snake. And the eye. Ito yung nakuha niya sa time zone last time. Dun sa mga egg. Inopen niya na. Here.
I'm gonna get something from my toy.
Okay. And we have this bag from Bread Top.
I'm getting
I got this bread. Kung gusto ko to siya. I got the coffee roll. Ayan. And yung parmesan sponge cake. Masarap din to, guys. Oh my gosh. Ayan. Nung buntis ako, gusto ko to. Yung bread na yan, my gosh. Okay. Ay, nag-downy pa pala. Sa Vietnamese shop ko ito binili sa Kim Son. Downy and 20 kilograms of rice. My gosh, guys. Ang bigat-bigat niya. Mabuti na lang kasama ko si mama. Kasi wala silang 10 kilograms. So, 20 yung binili ko. And it's like $65.99. Pero okay lang kasi para hindi na ako bumili ng tawag doon, 5 kilograms dun sa Coles. Kasi mas mura pag yan, guys. 'Di ba? Masarap kasi talaga yung na yan, rice. Pakita ko sa inyo. Mas gusto ko siya kaysa dun sa binibenta sa Coles. So, minsan, pag wala akong stock nito, napapabili talaga ako sa Coles kasi kailangan namin ng rice. This one. Ayan, ito siya, Golden Phoenix na brand. Tapos, meron ding isa yung AAA na white lang yung niya, yung kanyang packaging. Mas masarap din yun. Ayan, Thai Jasmine Rice. Ayan. Ayan siya. Phoenix. Mas gusto ko to. Hindi siya mabasa. Mas gusto ko siya. Yes, my love. Oh my gosh. Gusto rin na maglaro kay mommy. You wanna play with that with me? Can I just put this away, the food, and then I'll play with you? Ayan. Ha? Is it working? Okay. It's working. I can use it after I put this away, okay? I'll put this away first.
Please?
Yeah. You play there first. Go.
Please, Mommy?
Yeah, I'll put away this and I'll play with you.
Please, Mommy, have it 10 minutes. You can play what?
Dito na kami city, guys. Gonna have Korean barbecue for dinner and Mia's asleep. Kailangan siya gisingin. Hello, baby.
Daddy carry you.
Dito lang kami nag-park.
How did we get here? Did we slow here, Mama?
Hello.
It's locked, yeah?
Yeah, I think it does. Hello. Hello. Let's go.
Smell something.
Smell something. What is it? Yeah. Doon tayo kakain sa Marubang Korean Barbecue. Ayun. Yung ayan. Diyan tayo kakain. Malaking. Napakalaki naman talaga. Ito yung menu nila. Yung barbecue sa taas daw. A la carte sa baba. Ate, kung pinabag. We're here. Ito yung table namin. Mia sitting on the side. Waiting for them na lang.
Middle.
Huh? You can sit here?
It's in the middle.
That's alright.
It's in the middle.
Mia, what is daddy doing?
Phải đi lên, anh em mình phải đứng. Sau này về Nam. Một trăm đồng mí. Girlfriend. Mia, how are you doing?
She's dancing with daddy.
Đâu, luôn coi chồng.
Yay! Sirado na sila, guys. Let's
Bao
go
giờ
home.
đi nữa.
Hello, people. We are home. Ginawa ko lang si daddy ng lemon juice. Ayan. Kasi, guys, grabe naman kasi mag-suju. Hindi yan nagsusuju at all. So, di ko alam kung first time yung mag-suju kanina. Pero, grabe, ilang bottle ng suju yung naubos nila. Sila lang tatlong umiinom ng suju. Ay, my gosh. So, suka siya ng suka on the way here. So, I have to stop the car kasi suka siya ng suka. Kakaloka si daddy. Akala niya siguro very light lang yung suju. Hey. Anyway, ayun. Tapos na kami maligo ni Mia. So, mag-skincare na lang ako. Wala pa akong skincare. Nagka-pimple na naman ako dyan, oh. Ayan, kasi nandito ang ating period. So, ayan. Si Mia gusto pa mag-drawing na sa table pa siya, guys. Tingnan nyo. Where's Mia?
Oh, here.
Yes, you're there. Nagdo-drawing. What are you drawing? Show people you're drawing. Oh my goodness. So cute. Who's this?
Hello?
Olaf? Panda?
Olaf?
And this?
Mommy?
Mommy?
Yeah,
What's this?
Bunny mommy.
Bunny mommy. This
Cat.
cat.
Octopus with cat.
Octopus cat?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. I like your drawing. Very, very beautiful.
What are you doing? Don't see? Very, very. See? Very, very visual.
Yeah, I said very, very beautiful.
Yeah, I
Say
know
very,
that.
very beautiful.
Very visual. Mommy, can you get a pen? You get a pen for yourself. Don't get a pink one because it's not working. Get
Okay.
something else. I'll show what you can do.
Pinapakuha niya ako ng pen. I don't wanna draw. We need to go upstairs because we need to give Daddy the...
But that's right. We can show Daddy this later.
Yeah, later, tomorrow.
Mommy, now.
What are we gonna draw?
You use black and I use the white. So you do this.
Okay, that's true.
But you do that and you do that.
Okay, I'm gonna draw me.
Mommy, you just.
Look at my drawing. Just wait. Okay, just wait. I forgot how to draw it, but I think it looks like that. Looks like that.
Mommy, see, it's this way. You have to do it this way.
And don't move the paper, man, because if you move the paper, I can't, ano. No, the eyes is not the same. Who's that? Mommy.
Eyebrows.
Eyebrows. Oh, I forgot the eyebrows. Ay, tinugtungan pa ng eyebrows. Oh, diba? Wow.
And that arms.
Good job. Yeah, I already put arms. That's the arms. Yeah.
So let me draw mine.
Yeah, I'm going upstairs na. Naka-on talaga lahat ng lights
Wait,
yun.
Mommy, do you want to draw with me? You have to draw a lot of settings, and Daddy and I will do this so we can flip it nicely so we can draw again.
Yung warm lights namin naka-on talaga. Siya yung nag-on yan lahat. Pero yung LED hindi naka-on sa kitchen. Turn off natin isa. Like that. Ooh! Where is Mia?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm drawing.
Okay, come on, let's go upstairs na.
Can I draw a lot at the back and
Oh, you can bring it upstairs. You can draw upstairs. Let's go.
let me bring this pen.
Okay, you can bring that upstairs. Okay, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Say good night, Sally. Good night, fishes. See you tomorrow.
Sorry, good night. Fishies.
May daycare pa to
That
bukas.
fishy is
Hmm? What?
sissy and that one.
Sissy?
Yeah, that blue thing is sissy.
The blue one is Sissy?
Yeah.
Okay. And the other one is...
One more shirt.
Okay.
That one's sissy. The orange one.
Oh, over there, the small
The
one.
orange one is sissy.
Okay. Naready ko na nga yung bag na
That
bukas.
fishy is sissy. You know?
Okay, let's go. Good night, people. Say good night, people. Good night.